Yes, it's another Sunday morning. Some of us prefer to get out and ride rather than enjoying our nice warm beds. Today we are in a new location. We're in Beckenham, South East London. In front we have Mr. Paul. Behind me we have Ash. That is Josh. And we're exploring somewhere new. There's Ash on the right hand side. Today we're in Beckenham, South East London. Typically we would normally go into central London and do our Sunday run. But Paul suggested we try something new, and today we're going to be exploring a mixture of parks, trails, residential areas, roads, which is nice, and it's nice to kind of see different places. So yeah, come along for the video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, please share them with us. Hope you enjoy this video. If by any chance you're watching this video and wondering, how the hell does he do this? I could never do that. It must require loads of balance or whatever kind of combination of I can't do that, that's too difficult. Think again. If you like the look of these types of things, and there's a few different types of personal electric vehicles that you can try, just give it a go. It's not much more difficult than riding a bike, but when you do get going, it's a hell of a lot of fun. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and until the next one.